Hi all. Welcome to Creative Ideas A. In this video we are going to construct a digital frequency meter using Arduino whose readings will be showcased on LCD display and will have a measuring range from 1000 Hz to 1000 Hz. Here I have used function generator to produces the frequency and I have used oscilloscope to check the waveform. As you can see that I am injecting frequency from 1000 Hz to 7000 Hz into the Arduino board. The injected frequency you can able to see in LCD display. Please follow the setups for making the frequency meter. I have given Arduino code in the below link. If anything need to know about, please feel to comment me.